Hey folks, and welcome back to Kentucky Hot Wheels video series. This is going to be a short video concerning a part that often gets overlooked on these old air-cooled engines. Even if you've been in the game for a long time, you may have never seen one before because they're easy to lose. But if you have, this is what it looks like. It's a little piece of rubber. It's got a slit in the bottom. It's got a little indentation on the inside. All right. And this is your draft tube boot. If you don't know what a draft tube is, I can show you. I'll take a picture from underneath because it's really dark under there. So I'll take a picture with my camera. But here where you put the oil in, this is right here that goes down through the tin, is your draft tube. It allows your engine to breathe. But what can happen is over time, especially if you live in a very dusty area, you can actually get that road dust and road grime in your engine bay or in your engine through the draft tube. So this little boot slides on the bottom from underneath and allows your engine to breathe, but doesn't allow anything to fill back up in the tube. So I'll show you a picture of what it looks like before. I noticed the last time I changed the oil, mine was missing. They're easy to lose. Like I said, it's got a little indentation of rubber on the inside, and at the bottom of your draft tube is a little hole, and that indentation should snap into that hole to hold it secure. So I'll show you a picture of what it looks like before and then what it looks like after. But anyhow, like I said, short video. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to respond. But I thought this might be useful for people who's never seen one of these before. All right, you guys take care, and I'll talk to you later.